Hi, this is Mike again with Marshall CNC and Woodworking, and I'm working on these pine rounds again today and figured I would show you a little shop tip on an issue that I run into with these pines. I'm going to be using some water and a household iron. On these pine rounds, there's a lot of small dents from shipping and packaging, from edge banding, loose pieces of wood in between the panels. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to bring those dents out instead of digging at them with a sander. The iron is set on high. There's no water in it, so I don't want steam coming out of the iron. And I'll bring it in for a close-up so that you can see the actual dents in the light. All I'm going to do is put a drop of water on the dent and let it sit for a couple seconds. On pine, since it's so soft, the grain will rise back up quite a bit on its own. But for the deeper dents, you can then place an iron on that drop of water and it will draw the wood back up to the surface or just a little above the surface, and then you can sand it back smooth. This also works on a lot of different woods, softwoods and hardwoods. I use it a lot on cherry, walnut, soft maple, oak. So this is a easy way to bring out dents in your wood, including plywood. Again, instead of digging at it with a sander and having dips in your surface. All right, now I'll bring you in for a close-up. And I'm not sure where the shadows are coming from, but here you can see one, another, and another. And there's several smaller dents on here as well. But I just wanted to show you, just by taking a drop of water and making it wet, the grain will rise on its own. And then I'm going to add the iron that's already hot and pull this out. Switch hands here. Not sure if you can see, but it's already started to raise. I'm just going to put the iron on it. It's gone. So now I'll come to the next one. You can still see the dent. There's the water on it where it's raised up a little bit. I'll put the iron on here. And that one's gone. Well, by the time I got over to this one, you can see the grain is already raised up. It's gone on its own. So maybe I can show you. I'm going to use a screwdriver and I'll use the butt of it, but I'll make a small dent. And you can see that dent there. Now I'm going to take my water, couple drops on there. Instead of letting it sit, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the iron. And it's gone. just like that. All right, well, I tried to keep the video short, and I just thought it would be a helpful hint to keep a bottle of water in your shop along with a household iron, and this will help prior to prepping. Again, it works on softwood, hardwood, and plywood. So if you like the video, please give me a like below. Maybe subscribe to my channel. I'll have more videos coming out, and I appreciate it. Thank you.